Hello everyone. I have another unboxing today. I really didn't need what's in this box, but multiples always are fun. So, we got Cotty. She knows there's a box. If there's a box, if you ever need to find Cotty around here, put a box on the bench. She'll be on it, or in it. So, she wants cookies. She knows she gets cookies, so give her some cookies. You know, every like, Cotty gets cookies. Every comment, she get double cookies. So go ahead and like and comment. So she got her cookies. Okay. Miss Feline Overlord. You gonna move? Okay. Well, this is the box. That's how it came. Let's see what's inside. Little impatient? Really? She just wants cookies. Okay, everybody. If you're watching, hit like and I'll give her a cookie. Really? Okay, hit like. There you go. Likes get Cotty cookies. Oh, another like. Oh, cookies. Well, probably not liking this video, but everybody likes Cotty. Okay. So let's finish opening this. We gotta move Cotty again. Okay. Looks like it was packaged decently. All right, let's see what's in this. It said fragile glass. These definitely aren't glass. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I didn't need any more of these, but I just had to do it. And another shout out to this company. Very awesome company. Okay. It is another CableEye. So you can tell what's probably in this one. Yeah, the doggies are barking. They bark at absolutely nothing. Like George the Stray. Yeah, these ones are a little newer than the one I got the last time. It's got some scratchies. We'll plug them in. The connectors are good. This one's missing the little thumb screws. So let's plug these in and see if they work. I have that cord right there, CableEye tester. Here we get power. That's a good sign. Let's hook it up to USB. I already transferred ownership of these with Cami research. Nothing seems to check out. What? So let's launch the software. So I got the licenses and cal files already installed. Okay. Let's file, self-test. One failed test. Bridge check, high impedance. Ooh. There are more than 10 faults. Okay. Let me check, switch that to 152 points. Let's run once. No, we get faults. So let's unplug it and plug it back in. So this one has an issue. So this one's going to need repair, I think. I will take a picture of the screen and post it on the blog. Let me reset the software. Maybe it's a software glitch. Let's reboot the programmer. Well, that bites. File, self-test. Run once. Yeah, so we're getting high impedance bridges between the following test points. Oh, print screen, and I'll post it on my blog. So this one has an issue. This one has an issue. So let's try this one. Oh, that one's going to definitely have an issue. USB port is broken. Well, we can't test that one. It's going to need a USB port. Okay. Yeah. Darn. Looks like this one needs repair too. Well, that's a simple enough replacement. That's just a USB port. So, okay. Cotty wants cookies. So, I'll replace that USB port and give that one a test. So, bad USB port. Thankfully, I think I might have a bunch of these floating around as an older USB port. So, well, this was a gamble that didn't pay off. That was a waste of money, I think. I got another one coming in. So, we'll catch y'all later.